Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a classic French vegetarian dish called ratatouille. Now ratatouille is really easy, it is really healthy, and it is really nice. So let's get started. First we're going to have a look at the ingredients. We have here our eggplant, our zucchini, red pepper, yellow pepper, tomatoes, onion and garlic. Also we have a bay leaf, we have some thyme and some fresh basil. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to start with the tomatoes. What we need to do is remove this part here, the stem, and then we put a little incision, a little cross, just like that. And then we're going to boil some water, place this into boiling water, and then have it cook for around about 30 seconds. After that, the skin will come very loose. We can take it off, put it into an ice bath, and then we can remove the skin without any problem whatsoever.
Now to the cutting of the vegetables. Cut these into strips and then into squares, around 5 by 5 millimeters wide. Do the same for all the other vegetables. To make the garlic puree, cut this into small pieces, add salt and mash this with your knife until a puree is formed.
Okay, now finally what I'm going to be doing is cutting up the tomatoes, again into little squares. So let's start cooking.
First, we gently cook our onions until they become soft and transparent.
And into this pan now, we're going to be putting plenty of oil, and we're going to be starting with the red peppers.
Fry these for 2 to 3 minutes or until they are half cooked. Then remove and strain. Repeat this procedure for each vegetable individually.
I'm going to add the garlic, put the garlic puree in there, mix that up. Well, so far, as you can see, it's been really easy. And now it's just going to get easier.
We then cook our tomatoes for around 1 to 2 minutes, just so they begin to release their juice. Then, in with the rest of the vegetables.
Thyme in, bay leaf in. Just mix this up a little bit.
Cover and then cook for 10 minutes.
In the meantime, while we're waiting for our ratatouille to cook, what we're going to be making is a coulis with the offcuts. What we're going to do is cook them up very quickly, adding a little bit of stock and then blending them to make this delicious coulis, which we're going to be adding around the side of the ratatouille. Now, I'm just going to add a little bit more salt. I'm going to add some white pepper. I like it quite spicy, so I'm going to add also some hot paprika and some olive oil. I'm going to add our basil. And just put a little bit just around the side of the plate. And there you have the ratatouille. I hope you enjoyed the class, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye bye.